one for every warrior of Jah. We run the race, we fight the fight. Now we stand tall. Psalm 125 said them who trust in